everyone. Today we're going to install a C and C++ compiler. My choice is MinGW. It's very easy, quick, and efficient. So we're going to go ahead and go to their website, sourceforge.net. Here for Windows, we're just going to hit download. And after you're done downloading, you go to your downloads, set it up, hit install, and I'm going to just reinstall it just for you. Hit continue. Here you're going to go to the basic setup, and each little box you're going to hit it, and you're going to hit for mark for installation, each and every single one of them. GCC is for C and G++ is for C++. You're going to need both compilers. See, compiler. I'm not sure for Ada and Fortran, but just in case, might as well just hit mark for installation. After that, you go to package and you hit mark for upgrade, and it'll start downloading all the packages for you. Once you're done, you go to your file, your folder. Here you go to MinGW. You hit bin, and you right click it, then go to your toolbar, hit environment, go to hit this box, hit paths, create a new path, and just paste. See, I already have mine installed, and then hit OK on everything, and this should have min with the path. So go ahead and hit CMD. Now let's check the C compiler. So hit GCC negative version. See, we have that. And then the G++ compiler. We're good to go. Let's go ahead and create our first code. We're going to do the traditional hello world, and today we're going to just learn about prints. So go ahead and go to the desktop, create any folder that you want, open it, right click on it, and let's create a new text document. And that's whatever, it doesn't matter. Well, actually it does matter, but whatever. So first, we want to include the header for C, right? So here we go to include, and then in quotes, stdio.h for header, close it. And now we're going to create the body of the code, right? So int for integer, then the main, and then close it. And then here, a lot of people like to do the open bracket here, but I tend to just space it downward, and then give yourself some room, and then close it. This tells the code that this is the body, and int main is the main body of the code. It's a function inside Studio or stdh. So now we're going to create our first print. So print f for function, and then again, and we're going to say hello world. and then semicolon. Every time you run a semicolon, it's very important. It tells the code that this is the end of the line. You will get errors if you don't put it. And then go to Save As. And then here, go to All Files. And then we're just going to type in, hello. Here's the important part. For C is .c, make sure it's lowercase. And for C++ is .c, pp. We're going to do .c. And then save. Okay. So now we have that. And then here we're going to just type in command prompt or cmd. Cool. Now we're going to grab the compiler for C. So it's gcc space hello.c. And it compiled. We had no errors. And notice here, it compiled it under a different name. I think that was because I mistakenly didn't put name here, but whatever. So now we just want to run A, since I named it A. And there it is, hello world. So now we're going to go back to the code. And let's print something else. So let's print F. And then let's say I love C. Right? Semicolon. Now watch what happens when you save and run it. So we're going to compile it again. Okay, and then run A again. So that's our hello. Bam. Now both prints are next to each other. Because you're not telling the code to break line or next line. So in C, the simplest way is to either here in the front, we do /n. That tells it right away, oh, this is the next line. Or you can do it behind here, or in front of this actually, /n. Now doing this on both sides, we're actually going to space it. So watch. We're going to overspace it. GCC hello.c. Compiled. We run it. See how we overspaced it. Gave ourselves an extra space. Just eliminate one of them. Save. And recompile. Oops. Hello.c. Okay. There. See? So we did the basics of printing today. So, introduction, we basically installed Min, we ran a path, and we can do basic compile in Windows. We can run and compile, and we did our first hello world, and we learned how to print.